next song you're going to learn is Godelant Rhody. There is no new concept introduced on this page, but I want you to look at this one. The second line, the melody goes on D to F. I found many students feels a little awkward moving those two fingers. So I suggest you to practice those two notes back and forth until you feel really strong and comfortable. If you would like to try with left hand too, it's gonna be very useful for the future. Once you can do that, you can try from the beginning. Right hand plays the melody, and the left hand again. You are going to play those Roman numerals. C for 1, G, the fifth note from C, for 5.